So guys, we are going to talk today about installing Apache server in EC2 instance, and then we will try to host our website right on the Apache server. So these are the commands. First, we need to launch EC2 instance, and then once we launch it EC2 instance, so we will try to connect or login from from public IP. Once we are logging in, then we will try to search our user sudo super user su super user, and then we will update our server. Here we're gonna update our server. Once we updated our servers, and then this command it will going to install Apache server and will install HTTP packages. So once we install Apache server here, what we gonna do here, this command will start the Apache server and will check the status, is it start or not. So move to the next one. This one we will use it for enable Apache server. So if our system get reboot, once after reboot, it automatically start the Apache server services, right? So this one will help for automatically enable our Apache server. So what is the next? Once we launch the EC2 instance, the security group, we will open port 80 HTTP, right? And in the web server browser, we will have IP address, and we will copy and open our URL. So here is my web server installed here. It's not installed, it's dummy EC2 instance machine. I just renamed web server. I'm going to install web server. So first I will go and connect with my SSH. So I'm going to connect with my SSH. So I'm going to copy this one and command prompt cmd so here you go, copy this one, copy SSH, enter, yes. So now I'm logging with the Amazon Linux 2 machine. So as I mentioned you guys, what we need to do first, we need to do sudo su. We need to switch to the root. Is not root here. We are going to change to the root. Sudo su super user. So now I'm in root. You guys can see. So the second one was sudo yum update. I'm going to update my server, so I can copy and paste to su2 sudo yum update -y. So my server is going to be update, installing all the necessary package Linux. And the third one, the third one is going to be install Apache server. Installing sudo yum install -y httpd. So sudo systemctl start a http. So this command will start the Apache web server and will check the status. So enter. So now is started, the web server is started, and then just like I told you, that last command right here, it will enable the Apache server all the time. Even if you restart your computer, you restart your web server, the application will be start. Come on. So this command, I just type it, sudo system ctl status http is, it will check the status system is running or not. So enter. So you guys can see the web server is active and running right here, right? So here is the time and everything. So now I'm going back to my Apache server. So I'm going to copy this one and we'll check our Apache server is running or not. So I copy it and paste here. So our Apache server is ready to go, and you guys can host your website here. This is Apache server, is running on the AWS environment, Amazon. That's all, guys.